Exercise number 22. Start. I am fully aware of Bengal's agony. Full stop. My heart goes out to the people of Bengal, but I am confident that, as always, they will face the difficulties with determination. Full stop. Ever since India's freedom was at stake, Bengal has shown courage in every crisis. Full stop. The leaders and the youth of Bengal endured great cruelties in the fight against alien rule. Full stop. All India is indebted to Bengal for that. Full stop. Later, when the alien grip was relaxed, but the transition was still halfway through, the power was shared by the Muslim League and the British. Full stop. That was a period of travail for you, and you stood up to it courageously. Full stop. Bengal or India can never forget what was called the direct action by those people. Full stop. How can the plight of Calcutta in those days be forgotten? Question mark. Nor can the subsequent events in Noakhali be forgotten by you or India. Full stop. Those pages of history, good or bad, such as they are, cannot be deleted. Full stop. Next paragraph. Gandhiji was there in those days. Full stop. He walked from village to village and shared in the people's woes. Full stop. He gave them sustenance and consolation. Full stop. For a few days he stayed in Calcutta too. Full stop. Then either under provocation or in sympathy with you or Bihari brethren showed their anger and the fire spread in India, particularly in the north. Full stop. It came to be felt that unless the alien rule was removed somehow or the other, whatever their intentions, peace in the country was impossible, nor was it easy to remove the strife between the two communities. Full stop. In the circumstances, we decided to accept partition of the country or the freedom on the condition that Punjab and Bengal should also be divided. Full stop. It was God's will that when others wanted to partition Bengal, the people resisted the decision at great sacrifice, but partition the same Bengal had to be accepted when there was no alternative. Full stop. No dissenting voice was raised at that time because everyone understood that there was no other way out. Full stop. We were clear in our minds that we could never accept Calcutta being taken away from us. Full stop. The Muslim League leaders did not accept this. Full stop. They were averse to having a moth-eaten Pakistan. Full stop. They wanted the whole of Bengal and the whole of Punjab. Full stop. They wanted the whole of Bengal and the whole of Punjab. Full stop. Ultimately, they came round, but the bloodshed which then occurred has left a wound which will take some time to heal. Full stop. Bengal's heart is deep. Full stop. Next paragraph. In the part of Bengal that has separated from us, there are Hindus as well as Muslims. Full stop. We want all of them to be happy. Full stop. We want all wounds to heal quickly. Full stop. For this patience and forbearance are needed on both sides. Full stop. Those who are our flesh and blood Those who fought by one side in the freedom struggle cannot suddenly become foreign to us because they are on the other side of a line. Full stop. There are people in South Africa, people of Indian origin, but with African citizenship, whom we still try to help. Full stop. If they have a claim on us, surely those in that part of Bengal too have a claim. Full stop. The bonds of kinship and economic and social links cannot be broken. Full stop. But to remove their difficulties, we have first to set our own house in order. Full stop. Some people mislead the refugees who have come here and incite them by saying that the government does nothing for them. Full stop. But this does them no good. Full stop. It does not mitigate their suffering. Full stop. We can help them only if we set our house in order. Full stop. We must stop the daily incidents of bomb and cracker blasts, burning of trains and cars, assaults or policemen, etc. Full stop. Such occurrences distract attention from relief work. Full stop. People elsewhere get the impression that lawlessness prevails in Calcutta and living there is difficult. Full stop. Only on coming there do they find that such is not the case. Full stop. Next paragraph. A handful of miscreants want to hold Calcutta and the Bengal government in the grip of fear. Full stop. I cannot understand their motives and intentions. Full stop. I can understand a communist ideology, but how can such vandalism help? Question mark. But what pains me more is the attitude of the lakhs of other residents of Calcutta. Full stop. Why don't we understand our duty? Question mark. It is wrong to think that combating lawlessness is the duty only of the police and the government. Full stop. Today's government is not a foreign government. Full stop. A foreign government would have used the old methods which we cannot use. Full stop. Of course, when you feel you do not want this government, you can remove it. Full stop. We do not want to delay elections at all. Full stop. A lot of money will have to be spent on the crores of people who have been enfranchised for the first time, but that does not matter. Full stop. Much time and energy will have to be spent. Full stop. Even that is of small consequences. Full stop. What is needed even more is the right atmosphere. Full stop. To those who think they have a substitute for the ballot box in the shape of revolution. Full stop.